If you want to download a project or a repository from GitHub, these are the exact steps in order for you to do that. So first things first, you're going to head over to github.com and then you're going to make sure that you are signed in or you have already created an account. Now, from your homepage or your dashboard, you're just going to type in here the repository or the project that you want to download. For this one, I will be using this DeepSeek version 3 or the DeepSeek AI right here. I'm going to click on the first project that comes up. Now, if you're going to use your very own project that you already have, you can just click on your profile right here. And then you're going to click on repositories, and usually you would see your repositories that you've already done there. Now, you're just going to click on any project that you want, just like what we're doing right here. And then once you're in the project page or the information page, you are going to see this code button right here. And then from there, you're just going to click on it. And then here, you are going to see this download zip right here. So what you're going to do is you're just going to give that a tap, and then you will see it will start downloading right here at the top right from your download button or the download section. Now, once it's done downloading, you're just going to hit that. You're going to give that a tap, and then from there we are going to extract this. So we're going to click on this folder, we're going to click on extract to, and then I'm going to extract that to my downloads, or let's just extract it to my documents. I'm going to click on documents and then hit OK. Now once it's done extracting, we're just going to head back to our file explorer, and then from here I am going to hit documents, and then from there I'm going to check whether DeepSeek has already been downloaded. And as you can see here, I have my DeepSeek version 3 main. You can just click on that and then you can see all of the files right here downloaded. So these are all the files that are included in the project, and that's it. That is how you're going to download a project or repository from GitHub. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. If you have any more comments, you can just drop them in the comments below. And if you have any suggestions or any other tutorials that you're looking for, you can just check our channels. And that's it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.